of the Kumbh there after taking digs at the Mahakumbh in what almost came as a surprise. It was Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav who reached Prayagraj and took a holy dip at the Sangam in the ongoing Mahakumbh. Addressing the media after the Snan and offering the Arg, the Samajwadi Party chief said that he has prayed to God that there should be harmony, there should be goodwill, and everyone should be keeping forward when it comes to tolerance. However, he did not let go of the opportunity to take a dig at the Yogi Adityanath Sarkar in what he said as a message to the BJP, saying that the BJP members should come to the Mahakumbh for tolerance and charity and not for water sports. And of course, when it also questioning the state administration when it has been put up for the arrangement for the people, that is also something that Akhilesh Yadav took a dig at.
कि बिना बुलाए और अपने आप सब लोग आते हैं, अपनी व्यक्तिगत आस्था है उनकी सबकी। आज हमें भी मौका मिला है। मैं आज महाकुंभ में स्नान कर करके जा रहा हूं। मैंने 11 डुबकी लगाई हैं। संकल्प यही है कि सौहार्द बना रहे, सद्भावना बनी रहे, सहनशीलता हो, और जो भी स्नान हो सहनशीलता के साथ स्नान होना चाहिए। ये सरकार के लोगों को कोई स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट नहीं बनाना चाहिए इसको। समाजवादी सरकार में भी और पहले भी नेताजी को भी और हम लोगों को भी कुंभ के आयोजन को करने का मौका मिला था। जो उस समय कुंभ हुआ था, कम संसाधन में सरकारें अलग अलग थीं। अगर आयोजन 1300 करोड़ में अच्छा हो सकता है, 800 करोड़ में अच्छा हो सकता है, तो 10,000 करोड़ में, 7,000 करोड़ में कितना अच्छा हो सकता है। कम से कम बुजुर्गों के लिए कोई ऐसी व्यवस्था होती जो बुजुर्गों को ज़्यादा पैदल नहीं चलना पड़ता। और फिर जैसे हम हैं वीआईपी या और हैं वीआईपी या और सम्मानित लोग जब आएँ, तो कम से कम व्यवस्था ऐसी होनी चाहिए, पूरे कुंभ को पता लगे कि हाँ, आज कोई वीआईपी आया जिसकी वजह से ये व्यवस्थाएं बहुत अच्छी चल रही हैं।
Now, in the meantime, this is how the BJP has been reacting to Akhilesh Yadav finally going to Prayagraj to take the holy dip. Now, the same leader who had earlier called Yogi Adityanath and his cabinet lotus when they had gone for the holy snan, Akhilesh's party has now called the prayers and the cabinet meeting at Prayagraj as Dharm Ka Dhanda. And that time when it comes to the UP minister's devotion as a photo op, with Akhilesh Yadav himself sneering at the pictures of the snan being publicized. And now the very same people can't get enough of Akhilesh's holy dip. Right from the Samajwadi Party's handle to the media cell, multiple posts have made both stills and videos of their leader at Prayagraj taking the holy dip. This is how the BJP is now reacting.
समाजवादी पार्टी कुंभ पे सवाल नहीं उठाती रही है, समाजवादी पार्टी सुविधाओं पे सवाल उठाती रही है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने बड़ा लंबा चौड़ा बजट लिया था, लेकिन उसके बाद भी अगर वो जो कुंभ में श्रद्धालु आ रहे हैं उनको सुविधा नहीं दे पाएंगे, तो ये समाजवादी पार्टी का लोकतांत्रिक अधिकार है कि हम सवाल पूछेंगे और वो सवाल आगे भी पूछते रहेंगे। आदरणीय अखिलेश यादव जी आज संगम में उन्होंने डुबकी लगाई है। आस्था में विश्वास रखते हैं, सभी परंपराओं में विश्वास रखते हैं, सभी धर्मों का सम्मान करते हैं। तो ये समाजवादी पार्टी की विचारधारा है। समाजवादी पार्टी अध्यक्ष इसलिए आज कुंभ गए थे, उन्होंने आस्था की डुबकी लगाई है।
श्री अखिलेश जी परिवार के साथ कुंभ में आए हैं। कुंभ की महिमा को देखेंगे, व्यवस्था को देखेंगे, बिना देखे जो आलोचना कर रहे थे। मुझे लगता है कुंभ की व्यवस्था देखने के बाद अगर ईमानदारी से वो कुछ बोलेंगे तो जरूर इस व्यवस्था की प्रशंसा करेंगे।
उम्मीद करते हैं कि अखिलेश यादव जी का अब चित्त शांत हो जाएगा। गंगा जी में स्नान करने के बाद, संगम स्नान करने के बाद मन को शांति मिलती है। अब शायद अखिलेश यादव जी के मन को शांति मिल जानी चाहिए, क्योंकि लगातार पिछले 1 महीने से अखिलेश यादव जी कुंभ को लेकर के अनर्गल मिथ्या प्रलाप कर रहे थे। रोज कुंभ को अपमानित करने का प्रयास करते थे, रोज कोई न कोई कुंभ बुलेटिन जारी करते थे। आज अपनी आंखों से सब व्यवस्थाएं देखी हैं, तो उम्मीद करते हैं कि कुंभ को लेकर के अब झूठ बोलना बंद करेंगे, कुंभ को लेकर के लोगों को डराना बंद करेंगे और कुंभ की व्यवस्थाओं की तारीफ में शायद आज कुछ शब्द लिखेंगे।
During the last Kumbh, which was in 2013, when Samajwadi Party's government was there, it was the only Kumbh, I think, in the documented history of the country in which who was the chairman of the organizing committee had not taken the dip. So this has, Mr. Azam Khan was the chairman, and he didn't took the dip in Prayagraj. So that has dipped their political prestige to so low that at the first instance, Mr. Akhilesh Yadav was not having enough courage to go to Prayagraj. He first went to Haridwar and then he came down to Prayagraj.
Akansha, here is the BJP questioning how does the Vichardhara change of a party first that questions the Kumbh and then their chief himself goes there and takes the holy dip, which has been widely publicized.
Well, absolutely. Bharatiya Janata Party has called the statements that have come from Samajwadi Party chief and also their leaders anti-Hindu and anti-Sanatan. On the 14th day of Mahakumbh, Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav took a holy dip. And after that, we saw statements coming from him and his party leaders and also from his media cells. In fact, he said that this should not be made into a sporting event. And he said that he was not satisfied with the management. It was not up to mark. There was no facilities for the elderly people. And also a very important statement that has come from their media cells. They said that during his tenure, he had spent 800 to 1,000 crore and all the same were satisfied with the Mahakumbh. But this time, UP government has spent 10,000 crore, but people are not happy with the facilities. And in the last 14 days, Amita, we've been witnessing several such statements from Samajwadi Party leaders, be it on the management, be on the numbers of devotees which are coming to Mahakumbh. These are the same that are coming from Samajwadi Party, but definitely BJP is saying that Akhilesh Yadav had come to Mahakumbh with a negative mindset, and these all statements are anti-Hindu and anti-Sanatan.
Well, isn't it the same party, Akansha, that once used to say that as far as dharam is concerned, it's something which is personal, faith is personal, and nobody would be publicizing? There would be many of them already from the party who would have taken the holy dip, but it has not come across on social media as their pictures have been publicized. What happened this time now when Akhilesh Yadav himself decided to do the same?
Well, absolutely. The last time UP Chief Minister and the cabinet ministers were here, statements had come from the Samajwadi Party. They had said that it was all a photo op. Mahakumbh is not the area to do politics or take political decisions. And a week later, now we're witnessing several photos of Akhilesh Yadav, former Chief Minister, on the social media, several statements that are coming from Mahakumbh as far as the management of Mahakumbh is concerned, or the statements on Mahakumbh. On one hand, the leaders are saying that Mahakumbh should not be politicized. It is not the area to play politics. And on the other hand, yesterday we saw several statements, in fact, coming from Samajwadi Party leaders. The media cell also tweeted that Yogi Adityanath, the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, should learn religion, should learn the manners from Akhilesh Yadav as far as giving arg and also taking holy dip in a Sangam.
Well, we've seen the to and fro in the political discourse over the Mahakumbh that has been taking place, especially at the time when the BJP and the UP cabinet there decided to hold their meeting in the ongoing Mahakumbh in Prayagraj. That also was taken on the Samajwadi Party, with Akhilesh Yadav now finally decided to take the holy dip himself. Thank you very much, Akansha, for joining in. Let's